Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi. So if it's a Hairvivi unit, you guys know it's about to be good. Okay, so the unit I'm going to be reviewing today is a little different, guys. I have given you all the black Hairvivi units. This one I'm adding just a pop of color. First, let's start out and let's look at that hairline. You already know it's going to come pre-plucked. And do you guys see the color? Does it look good? All right, stay tuned. All right, so let me just show you from the back. So this is like a light touch of highlight. This is for the person who wants to try color, but it's like a great transition unit into color. You know, some people be scared to try color. It's just subtle, so it's not going to be overbearing. But let's take a look at this hairline. This particular unit they sent me came with a fake scalp. Usually I don't like my fake scalps. I usually tell them send me my unit without fake scalps. So I tried it on and I realized it wasn't really that bad. Actually, it still was given natural. I do feel like without the fake scalp, it gives it a little bit more of a pre-plucked feeling. However, take a look at this hairline. As you guys can see, it does come pre-plucked, and you guys know all Hairvivi units do come bleached and ready to install. These are the perfect beginner friendly units. It really doesn't require any work from you except for putting it on. So I am going to make this a side part. You guys know this is what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and go on top of that with my flat iron just to lay it all down, so it's not giving me like that hump that sometimes you see when people wear their units. And of course I'm going over the hair using my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick to help smooth that hair out, and it also adds a nice light sheen to the unit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut that lace. Speaking of the lace, did we even touch on the lace? This is a Hairvivi unit. You know they got the best HD lace in the game, in my opinion. Yeah, that's just my opinion. I just personally love their units. Look at this. Okay, after I cut this lace, before I even get on to the other side, you guys can see how natural that lace looks against my skin. Okay, so before I add the adhesive, well, it's not really glue. You guys know this is my new favorite. That's the Boho Liquid Gold. So I'm going to wipe my forehead clean just to make sure there's no makeup remaining that's going to gunk up underneath the unit. Because if there is makeup on your forehead and you put any type of adhesive and then lay it down, a lot of times when it dry, it is going to be that gooey mixture of the lace as it get with the adhesive. So you want to make sure your forehead is really clean before you apply it. I'm going to lightly go over it with a blow dryer just to get it to start getting slightly tacky. You want to make sure you don't make it dry. And then I'm going to just press the lace down and then comb the lace and the hair in to get it to melt with my skin. This is the method I choose to install my unit. Of course, this is a Hairvivi unit, which means that you do have the option of wearing it glueless. However, I'm just not really the glueless person, but to each his own. If you want to wear it glueless, it does come with an elastic band in the back included. Knock yourself out. I'm going to go ahead and tie it down with the elastic band for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get that to all set in place. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the makeup back to my forehead. I'm paying attention not to really get too much on this lace because this is an HD lace from Hairvivi and it typically blends really well. So once again, I'm going to go on top of the unit with my flat iron because it wasn't flat enough for me. And then I'm also going to go along the sideburns because I wanted it to give more of a melted feeling. And you know, like, you gotta let it melt. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna get it to do. I'm gonna make it melt with my wax stick so that it looks a lot more sleek and put together. And last but not least, I'm just a creature of habit. I'm gonna go on top of that with some foundation powder for the parting space, although it's really not needed since I do have that fake scalp. Now I did decide I wanted to add like some small sideburns, and when I say small, I do mean small. I actually cut it shorter than this. And then I'm just gonna finish the hair off by adding some hair sheen. And once I'm done, I was looking at the hair and I wasn't gonna cut it. You guys know I'll be fighting not to cut these units because I just personally feel all units should have some type of layers. It really helps the curls flow better. It helps the hair just frame your face a lot more instead of it being one even length. But I put slight cut in it, like a very slight, just to kind of give that bang area its separation, a true separation. And then I went in with my flat iron and I added a couple of curls to this unit just to kind of refresh it, because as you guys can see, this unit did come already curled because it's a body wave unit and it's a Hairvivi unit, so you already know the curls last. That's one thing I love about Hairvivi units. Some hairs you get and you put some curls in it and then you go outside and it's a wrap. Not the Hairvivi unit. The Hairvivi unit really holds the curls very well. And then this is what the final look looked like, guys. What do you guys think? You see that slight touch of color that I was talking about? Is there, it's evident, but it's not overbearing, it's not doing too much. It's really a perfect transition unit for when you just want to add a little spice but be still sweet. Sugar and spice. Okay, but let's not forget, let's look at that hairline. Do you guys see what this hairline looks like? This is what I'm talking about. Natural, very, very natural look. And I'm gonna give y'all a look from the back one time so y'all could see what it looks like from the back. I did not curl the hair in the back. This is just the curls that came in straight out the box, and it's still giving what it's supposed to give. Now, real quickly, I'm going to stand up so you guys can see just how long this unit lands on me. This is, I believe, a 20-inch. So you're going to get all your inches. It's not short. This is a very typical 20-inch length. So you're going to get every inch that you pay for. And now look at that bang. This is what I'm talking about when you add like just a little layer to it. And this is, when I say little layer, this is a little layer. So guys, as always, you know your girl has a coupon code for you. I'm gonna put that across the screen. I'm gonna also include that in the description box down below. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, you can save. But of course, the biggest savings are achieved if you purchase this unit the week that this video is launched. So guys, before we get out of here, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So those of you found this video helpful and you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. And it's always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.